Okay. Good evening, everyone. I can see only two of you are in the chat. What about the others, guys? Yeah. So, good evening, Sanket, Tej, and Rishikesh, right? Yeah. Adrian, Mangala. Yeah. So, we will wait for 5 more minutes for the audience to join. Okay. Till that, guys, if you have any doubt till this point, please write in the chat. Okay. Great. So, till that time, let's do the revision what we have discussed yesterday. So, guys, we have discussed yesterday about the flow of C program. That is, we have the source code that is compiled by the compiler, and we get the executable file, and that executable file is run by the computer, and we get the output on the output screen, right? And after that, we have done the setup of Visual Studio Code, and we have done the setup of environment variable, and with the with the help of GCC command, we have run the we have compiled the source code, and after that we have run that executable file, right? And after that we saw the gist of variable. What is variable? How the data gets stored behind the scene, right? So so the agenda of today's session will be around variable. What is this variable? What is this data type? Different data types we are going to. Great. Are you gonna do pattern question? Uh, are you going to do pattern question? Not in this class because today we will be going in the details of the data types, and in the upcoming class, that in the control statement, we will be trying to do such kind of questions. Okay. Mm, Let me share my screen. 1 minute, guys. Okay. Okay. What is variable, guys? Everyone who have attended the yesterday session, what is this variable? So, guys, who all have attended the yesterday session, please write in the chat, and who all are new to this boot camp, please write in the chat. Whether my screen is visible or not, whether it is shared or not. Okay, yeah, it is shared, right? Okay, great. So here I can see okay, answer in the chat. So here they are saying, hey, variable is a named. Okay, yeah, great. So Kunal, Supreet, and Bhavya, right? So everyone is correct here. So guys, again, I am starting with the variable part. Okay. So variable is basically what? If you want to store a data, okay, and you want to reuse the data again and again, reuse the data again and again, you can do this part with the help of a variable. Okay, so basically variable is what? Variable is a named memory location. We are giving a name to a memory location, and in that memory we are storing our data. Okay, why we are storing our data? So that we can reuse the data. Okay, so that we can reuse the data. Everyone is clear till this point? Yes or no? And after that, we saw one example ki, hey, if I have to store a data 10, right? If I have to store a data 10, I need to define the data type. When I'm creating a variable, I need to define the data type. Here, since I am storing the data 10. The data type is what? Int, right? After that, I have to write the name of the variable. Let's assume the name of the variable is num here, right? And after that, the assignment operator, and after that, the data 10. This is what? Data type. And this is what? Name of the variable. This is what? The assignment operator. Okay, assignment operator. And this 10 is what? The data, right, everyone? So what we are doing, we are initializing the data 10. We are storing this data 10 inside a variable, inside a memory. The name of the memory is what? Num here, right? So the moment this line will get executed, what will happen? There will be a computer memory. In that computer memory, what will happen? This data type is giving us a lot of information. The first information is what? What kind of data I can store inside the computer memory. Here I can store integer kind of data. The second information is what? Int occupies 4 bytes inside the computer memory, right? So here int occupies how many bytes? 4 bytes inside the computer memory, right? So basically the moment this line will, like, the moment the memory gets allocated, what will happen? This is our memory, and in that memory 4 byte will get allocated like this. Okay, this one, this one, this one, yeah, this one. So each block is of 1 byte. Okay, each block is of 1 byte. And after that, what will happen? This is what, guys? This is the data, and the data here is of decimal format. Okay, decimal format. So this data 10 will get converted to the binary format. Okay, will get converted to the binary format, and this binary format data will get stored inside the memory. Let's assume the binary format of 10 is 1010. Okay, 1010, and here we are saying here this is of what? 1 byte, 1 byte. Okay, 1 byte and 1 byte, right, everyone? And yesterday we saw that 1 byte is equal to 8 bits, right, everyone? 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. So we have a 4 byte memory block. Okay, each block is of 1 byte, and this one, 1 byte is equal to 8 bits, right? Like this. Okay, there will be 8 partition, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and let's assume 7 8, right? 2 3 5 6 7. Okay, this one. Yes, so like this there will be 8 partition, 8 bits, right, everyone? And this data 10, that is the binary format data, will get stored inside the memory block. Everyone is clear? Yes or no? Please write in the chat if it is clear till this point. And after that there will be we are saying here the name of the memory block is what? Num, right? The name of the memory block is what? Num here. Okay, and let's remove this point, right? Yeah, this one. Yeah. Okay, so we have the data, and the data is in decimal format. That data will get converted to the binary format because our computer understands 0 and 1. And the name of the memory block is num. And to each memory block, there will be some address assigned to it. Okay, there will be some starting address here. And there will be some end address here, right? And this address is in hexadecimal format. Okay, is in hexadecimal format. So here we have seen 3 terminology, that is the decimal format. Our actual data is in decimal format. The data that gets stored inside the computer memory is of binary format, and the address of the memory block is in hexadecimal format. Let's try to understand this format thing, right? So here we have decimal format. So guys, what is this decimal format? Anyone from the audience? What is this decimal format? Okay, anyone from the audience? Sri Ram has one question. What is the purpose of header file? So Sri Ram, basically we use some inbuilt function, and the code of that inbuilt function, the logic of that inbuilt function is already written in that header file. Okay, and if I want to use that function inside my program, what I will do? I will include that header file so that I can use the function. I have explained that part in the yesterday session also, right? That is, I have to use printf to print something on the output screen, right? To print something on the output screen, and this is my file, right? This is my file here. Let's assume the name of the file is what? First.c. So in order to use this function, okay, and the functionality of this function is what? It will print something on the output screen. So the code of this printf function is written in the header file, that is stdio.h, right? Inside here, it is declared here, right? So in order to use the functionality of printf function, I have to include the header file inside my program. Sri, hope I am able to answer your question, right? Okay, great. So here, let's come back to the topic, decimal format. So like most of you are saying float, no. So guys, float, here decimal format is a number, okay, and that number you can create with the help of digit from 0 to 9. Okay, what all number you use in your current daily life, that is 92. Okay, you have the phone number 965306985, like this. Okay, these all are what? These all are decimal format number, right? These all are decimal format number. Why? Because these number contains digit from 0 to 9, and since we have only how many options? We have total 10 options available to construct a number using this digit, that is from 0 to 9. How many options are available? Total 10 options are available. So the base of this number is what? 10. Everyone is clear till this point? What is this decimal format number? Uh, correct. Yeah, like you didn't notice my answer. Oh, Vanshika, I have noticed. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. It is correct. Yeah. Okay. So decimal format number is clear, right? Now let's move to the binary format number. Okay. Guys, what is this binary format number? What is this binary format number? So basically our actual data is in decimal format, and that data gets converted to the binary format, and that binary format data gets stored inside the computer memory. So what is this binary format? Correct. So correct here. They are saying 0 and 1, right? So if you are creating a number and that number is built with the help of digit 0 and 1, that number is called binary format number. Let's assume this 0 1 1 0 1001 0 1010. So these all are what? These all are binary format number, right? Since I have two possible options to construct a number, the base of this binary format is what? 2 here. Okay, so till this point we know about decimal format, we know about binary format, and we are saying ki hey, the address of the memory is of hexadecimal format. Then guys, what is this hexadecimal format? Vanshika, binary code is understandable by the computer. Okay, binary code is understandable by the computer, so that's why it is called machine understandable code. Okay, I will like after discussing about this int, I will give you a brief idea like why computer understand binary code itself, right? Correct. So Vanshika, Diana, and yeah. So it is correct here. Dhawal is also correct. So hexadecimal format are what? Number that are construct using digit from 0 to 15. Okay. So basically here from 0 to 9, we use the simple digit. 10 is represented as A, 11 is represented as B, 12 is represented as C, 13 is represented as D, 14 is represented as E, and 15 is represented as F here. Right, everyone? Since I have total 16 options, so the base is 16 here. Okay, let's take one example. Let's write 1 to A. Okay, F 23. This is what hexadecimal format number. And this hexadecimal format number is used to represent the address of memory. Okay, address of memory. So here, this one, right? So we have some starting address and we have some end address, and that address is represented in hexadecimal format. Okay, so here let's take the address also, right? So let's take a simple address value. Let's take 700. Let's assume the starting address of the memory block is 700. Then what will be the next what will be the value of next address, next memory, this next block? It is 701, it is 702, 703, 704. Why it is 701? Because we are saying ki hey, this is of 4 byte and this one block represent 1 byte, right? So if this is 700, this will be 701, and this will be 702 because this is also 1 byte, this is also 1 byte, and this is also 1 byte, right, everyone? Yeah, till this point everyone is clear? Yes or no? Please write in the chat if it is clear. Anyone has any doubt till this point? No one? Okay, great. So let's move to the next data type. The next data type is what? Character, right? Data type is what? Character here. So if I have to store character value, character data, what I can do? I can use the data type as char here, right? Char here, and after that, this is the data type, right? This is the data type, and after that, the name of the variable. Let's assume the name of the variable is ch here. After that, the assignment operator, and in single quotes, you have to write. In single quotes, you have to write the data. Okay, and here you have to write a single data. Okay, single value data, right? So here you have a, you have small b. These all are what? In single quotes, they are represented as character, right? Similarly, you have uppercase letter, that is a, b. In single quotes, they are represented as character. If you want to represent digit as character, you have to enclose that digit in single quote like this: 1, 2, 3. Similarly, if you want to represent a special character as a character, you have to enclose inside single quotes like this, right? At the rate, this question mark, these all are what? Character, if you are representing them as single quotes, right, everyone? So here I know about the data and I know about the data type, and we know what this data type provides us a lot of different information. The first information is what kind of data I can store in the memory block, and here I can store character kind of data inside the memory block. The second information this cat is giving us about the size. Can you guys write in the chat what is the size this character variable take inside the computer memory? Okay. Mahesh, C language 32 keywords, correct. And about the keywords, you can explore that part on the Google. You will get the clear idea about that thing. Okay, yeah, correct. 1 byte. So the size is what? 1 byte here, right? So let's try to understand that part now. What happens here? What I'm doing? Cat ch is equal to a, right? So the moment this line will get executed, what will happen? There will be the computer memory, okay, and in that computer memory, one byte will get allocated to this variable ch, right? And there will be the starting address. Let's assume the starting address is 800 and this will be 801. This address is in hexadecimal format. For our simplicity, we are taking as this one, okay? But behind the scene, you will see this thing as hexadecimal one, right? After that, here, what will happen? We have the character data. This character data will get converted to the ASCII code, okay, ASCII code, and this ASCII code, it will get from the ASCII table, okay. There is a ASCII table. From that ASCII table, to each character there is a corresponding ASCII code in decimal format, okay, in decimal format, right? So let's explore that part also. 1 minute. Yeah. ASCII table, right? So here you can see the ASCII table, and let's open this one, right? No, not this one. Yeah, this one. So this one here on the Google, you can type ASCII table and you will get this ASCII table list, right? Here. So guys, here you can see we have the ASCII table, and here you can see the character, right? And here you can see the decimal. So for each character, for each lowercase character, this one, we have the corresponding ASCII value. Okay, we have the corresponding ASCII code. That is, for A it is 97, for B it is 98, for C it is 99, for D it is 100. Right, everyone? Similarly, for uppercase character, okay, for uppercase character, we have the corresponding ASCII code. That is, for capital A, it is 65. For capital B, it is 66. Similarly, here you can see for digit. If you are representing digit as a character, for 0, the ASCII code is what? 48. For 1, the ASCII code is 49. For 2, the ASCII code is 50. If you are representing the digit as character. Similarly, here you can see if you are representing special, okay, if you are representing special character, right? This one. For each special character, there is a corresponding ASCII code. Right, everyone? Yeah. You don't need to learn, Vanshika, this ASCII table, okay? The more you will use, the more you will practice, you will get the clear understanding, okay? The more important thing that you have to learn here is this one. That is, for capital A, okay, you have to learn this part just, right? 1 minute. This one. For small a, it is 97. If you know the ASCII value of small a, then you can easily calculate for the remaining small case, that is lower case character, right? That is, for B, you have to add +1 to 97. For C, you have to add +2 to get 99. You are getting that point? Similarly, you just have to remember about capital A. That is, for capital A, it is 65. If you want D, that is the difference from A to D is what? 4. You have to add 4 to it. You will get the corresponding ASCII ASCII value for D also, right? You are getting that point? So basically, you have to remember about capital A, small a, and for this 0. Okay, for this 0, right? And most of the time, they like this is not asked in the interview. Ki they will say ki hey, please tell the ASCII value. Okay, yeah. Shriram ASCII table means, okay, like what let's understand that point. what we want, we have the character, right? 1 minute. We have the characters, right? And we want to store that character. Okay, we want to store that character in the computer memory, let's assume. So what we need to somehow convert this character to the binary format. Okay, binary format. So basically, in order to convert this character to the binary format, what they have done, they have first converted the character into decimal format. Okay, and with the help of decimal format, they are converting the character to the binary format, right? So this ASCII table is like giving us the information of the ASCII code, so that each of one is using the same ASCII value. Okay, so that each of them is using the same ASCII value. Site is clear now? Yeah. So here you can see we have the data in the character format. This data behind the scene gets converted to the ASCII code from the ASCII table, and this ASCII code is in decimal format, and this decimal format data will get converted to the binary format data. Okay, for small a, the ASCII code is what? 97, and this 97 will get converted to the binary format, that is in 0 and 1 format, like this. Okay, let's assume the binary format of 97 is this number here, right? So this number, this binary format number will get stored inside the memory like this: 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0, right? Yeah. Okay, Shriram, it is like a, there is a way to convert. Okay, you can Google that part. There is a way to convert decimal format data. Okay, decimal format data to binary format data, right? Binary format data. So now when they are why they have written this ASCII table here. So basically they want to store this character data, right? They want to store the character data, and our computer understand what? Binary format data here, right? So somehow they have to convert this character data to the binary format data. So what our humans know? Human know how to convert this decimal format data to binary format data. Okay, they know the method of converting this decimal format data to the binary format data. So what they have done, to each character they have assigned the ASCII code. Okay, they have assigned the ASCII code in the ASCII table, right? So that this table is common for each and every programmer. Okay, common for each and every programmer, right? So basically, as Sri, right, Sri Ram. So here, if I will say ki, hey, let's assume you know how to manipulate the ASCII value. Okay, let's assume you say ki, hey, for A, I will take ASCII value as 99. Okay, and I am here. I will say ki, hey, for A, I will take the ASCII value as 101. So here you will see, right, you have the inconsistency in the data, right? Inconsistency in the data. So in order to make the data consistent, what they have done, they have created the ASCII table. So each and every person who are using C language, Java, C++, they can use this ASCII table to get the common ASCII code for each character. Shriram, now it is clear? Yeah. It is a part of memory storage, how to store. Okay. So here, this one. Everyone is clear now, right? So basically what we have the character that gets converted to the ASCII code from the ASCII table, and that ASCII code, that decimal format code will get converted to the binary format code, and that gets stored inside the computer memory, right? Yeah. Okay. Mangala, about local and global variable, I will talk in the control statement, okay? Yeah. Mahesh, it is a part of memory storage, how to store the memory. How to store in the memory. It is a part of memory storage, how to store in the memory. Uh, It is a part of like what I'm not able to get your question, Mahesh. Anyone has any other doubt? Please write again, Mahesh. Please be more specific. Okay. So apart from that, any other questions? Batman, okay, Batman is asking ki, hey, are identifier and variable same? So basically, Batman, this is what? This is a way of creating a variable. You know what is a variable? Variable is a named memory location to store some data in it so that we can use the data again and again. And this name is a identifier. Okay, this name is a identifier. This name is saying ki, hey, ch is a identifier and it is saying here ch is a variable of character data type. Okay, Batman? Yeah. Okay, great. So let's first write the program here, right? So what I will do now, I will write the program on the online ID. Yesterday we saw how we can write a program on the offline ID, that is our Visual Studio Code. Here we can write the program on online ID also, right? So here I will write online C compiler here, right? C compiler. So here you can see a lot of options. So mostly go with this one, program is okay, like this one. And here you can see this one, right? Main dot C, and here we have to write the code, right? So what I will do, I will take a variable that is int num is equal to 10, and now I have to print the value of num, right? I have to print the value of num. Can you guys write in the chat how to print the value of num? How, like yesterday we saw, if I have to print some English statement, I have to include that English statement inside double quotes like this, right? Printf, and here online. Let's write this one variable and data type, right? So here, if I have to write a English statement, I have to enclose that English statement inside a double quotes. So let's here you can see the output, right? Variable and data type. Okay. How to print num, the data of num on the output screen? Anyone from the audience? So here, what I have to do? Here I have to write printf. Inside printf, I have to use double quotes. Inside the double quotes, I have to write the format. Okay, I have to write the format, in which format I want the data, right? The video is not clear. Uh, Now it is clear. 1 minute. Let me increase this one, right? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now it is clear. Okay, great. So here, what I have to do? I have to 1 minute. Yeah. So here I will write the format here, right? That is printf %d, right? So %d is representing ki, hey, I want to print integer kind of data. So the format is what? %d. After that, you have to write a comma, and after that you have to write the name of the variable. Here the name of the variable is what? Num, right? So num here. Okay, everyone. So like this, you can print the here, right? This one, value of num, right? So let's try to, okay, let's try to run the code, right? I am getting the output on the output screen. That is, here you can see the output is what? 10 on the output screen, right, everyone? This is simple. Let's try to print the character data also. That is char ch is equal to a. in single quotes. And here what I will do, this one. So for printing printf, okay, for printing character %c, I have to use what? %c, and after that I have to write the name of the variable, that is ch here, right? Let's see. So I am getting what? 10 and a on the output screen. What I want this a, the data a, that is the value of ch on the next line. In order to get the value of ch on the next line, what I will do? I will write /n. Okay, correct. So the moment you will write /n in the double quotes, it is saying ki hey, move to the next line. After printing this value of num, move to the next line. Everyone is getting that point? Yes or no? How to print the data on the next line, and what is this %d? That is the format of printing integer data. %c, the format of printing character data here, right? And here I can write a message also, right? That is a the value of integer data, this one, right? Like this. And here you can see I'm getting the output, right? This one. The value of integer data is 10 here. Similarly, here I can write the value of character data here, right, is this one, right? %c. So what is happening here is like this one. 1 minute. So basically, when this line is getting executed, this one. So this %d is replaced with the value of the variable num. Here the value of variable num is 10. So this 10 is placed here in place of %d. Similarly, the value of ch is placed at %c. Everyone is getting that point, right? How the thing is happening, how the printf is working. Anyone has any doubt till this point, please write in the chat. Okay, so now if you are getting the clear understanding, what will be the output now? Okay, here I have, let's comment, okay, let's remove this part, and let's remove this part, right? And after that, what I want int num is equal to ch. Okay, and I want to print the value of num. Okay, here. Now guys, what will be the output? Please write in the chat. Here I want to print the value of num. What will be the output now? If it is clear till this point, what will be the output for this program? That is what I have done. I have created a variable and I have stored a. After that, I have declared integer kind of variable, and after that, in that integer kind of variable, I have stored ch, right? And after that, I am printing the value of num. So here, so I am getting a lot of different answer, right? Someone is saying ch error 97. Yeah, enter the number. Printf. Should I run the code? Yeah, let's see. So here what I am getting 97 on the output screen, right here. So why I am getting 97 on the output screen? Anyone? Error? No. So we are getting 97 on the output screen, right? And it is clear, right? How? Right? So Santini has asked ki, hey, how we are getting 97 on the output screen, right? So let's try to understand that part also. So basically here we have a char, right? What we have done in the code, we have char ch is equal to a, and after that we are saying int num is equal to ch here, right? So let's try to execute the code line by line, right? And after that, what we are doing, we are printing printf %d, and here we are printing num, right? And this is my main function, like this, right? So guys, we know the execution starts from the main function. What we will do, we will execute this line, that is character ch is equal to a. What will happen? Let's create a memory here, right? This one. So the moment this line will get executed, okay, the moment this line will get executed, what will happen? This a will get converted, okay, this a will get converted to the ASCII code. The ASCII code of A is what? 97. And this decimal format code, that is the ASCII code, will get converted to the binary format code, right? And what will happen? There will be a 1 byte memory block for CH. Let's assume the starting address is 800. This is 801. And this for 97, let's assume the binary format code is 1010110, like this, right? So what will happen? This binary format data will get stored here, 10101100, right? After that, we will be moving to the next line, that is int num is equal to ch, right? Int num is equal to ch. And when this line will get executed, what will happen? 4 byte will get created, okay, here, this one. And the name of the memory is what? Num. There will be some starting address. Let's assume it is 700, 701, 702, 703, 704, right? And after that, what we are doing? We are saying ki, hey, take the value of ch and store the value of ch in num, right? So we are taking this data out and we are storing the data inside the computer, like inside this num, right? Inside this num. So this data will get stored here, okay? And after that, what we are doing? We are printing the value of num, okay? So the moment this line will get executed, what will happen, guys? We will, like from num, we will take the data, this, we will read the data from here, we will take the data out, that is the binary format data, and the binary format data is what? This is 10101100, right? We will take the binary format data out and we will see the format here. Here the format is what? Here the format is integer format. So what we will do? We will convert the binary format data to the integer format data, that is 97, and that 97 will get printed on the output screen. Everyone is clear till this point why 97 is getting printed on the output screen? Please write in the chat. Yes or no? Yeah, like we are getting 97, that is the ASCII value, but why we are getting 97? Everyone is clear? Anyone has any doubt? Please write in the chat if anyone has any doubt. So if it is clear, guys, what will be the answer now? Okay, let's increase the difficulty level, right? Let's try to change the question now. And this time, what I want int num is equal to 97, okay, and char ch is equal to num, right? And let's try to print the value of this %c and here ch, right? What will be the answer now? If it is clear, what will be the answer we are getting for this program now? Okay, Shantini, A. Let's try to run the code, right? Okay, great. We are getting A. Okay, great. No issue, right? We are getting A. And let's refer the ASCII table also, right? So if you will observe this ASCII table, right? If you will observe this ASCII table, the decimal format number, okay, the decimal format code is starting from what? It is starting from 0 here, right? Here you can see 0. And this is the minimum value, that is 0. What is the maximum value in the table? It is 127, right, everyone? It is 127. So we have a ASCII code from 0 till 127, right? So let's try to take a value that is out of the range. Let's try to write 2002, right here. Okay, and we know 2000 is this one, 2002, and this 2002 is out of the range of the ASCII table here, right? This one. Here you can see the ASCII table, and here the minimum value is what, 0, and the maximum value is what, 127. And here what I am doing, I am taking a variable num. In that variable num, I am storing 2002, right? After that, I am printing, like I am storing here, that is num to ch, and after that I am printing ch. Let's see what will be the answer. Okay, 102. Okay. So guys, we are getting something random here, right? We are getting something random here. That is, we are getting some garbage value here, right? Yes or no? We are getting some garbage value here. You can see here, right? Uh, Let me open this Visual Studio Code, right? Then you will get the clear understanding now. 1 minute. File, open folder, and in the desktop we have, okay, like this one. So what I have done, let's copy code, right? This one, that is this one, and after that, let's paste the code here. Let's increase the font size, right? Because I think it is not visible. So here, yeah, yeah, okay. After that, clear the screen, and I have to write GCC first dot C, and after that dot slash A. Okay. So the moment I've done that part, you can see I'm getting, like, I'm getting nothing here, right? So let's try to do that part also. Was 031 023. Okay. Let's see whether I will get some answer or not. This one dot slash A. So I'm getting a space here, right? Like I'm getting something, but it is something space type, right? Let's try to take a 500 here, right? And let's see the answer again, right? Let's try to observe this one dot slash A. So this time what I am getting, again I am getting something random, right? And that random thing is what? That random thing is a garbage value. Okay, that random thing is a garbage value here, right? So why I am getting this garbage value here? Anyone from the audience, why I am getting this garbage value here? When I am taking the value that is out of the range of the ASCII table decimal format value, I am getting a garbage value. Sometime I am getting space, sometime I am getting this uh, where type of symbol, right? Anyone from the audience, please write in the chat. Okay, guys, why I'm getting this random behavior? Anyone? Okay, because it is not been assigned a value, because big data type stores a small data type. Okay, let's try to understand that concept also, right? Okay, so here in the first scenario, what we are doing, we are having a character, we are having a character data, right? Right? Char ch is equal to a here, and after that, what we are doing, we are saying here, store, take the value of ch and store that value of ch in num, right? And what we are doing in the first scenario, printf, we are printing the value of num here. This is the first scenario that we saw. But in the next scenario, here, like we are getting everything correct. For this one, we are getting everything correct. But the second scenario is what? Int num is equal to 1025, right? Char ch is equal to num, right? And we have printf percent c ch, right? In this scenario, we are getting some random value, and that random value is what? Garbage value, right? Let's take the first scenario here. First case, this one. So in the first case, we know for char ch, this is of 1 byte, correct? Int num is of 4 byte. Okay, so what we are doing, we have a container, right? We have a container of 1 byte, and we have a container of 4 byte, right? This one, we have a container of 1 byte and we have a container of 4 byte, and there is some information here, right? There is some information here in the 1 byte container. After that, at this point, what I'm doing, I'm taking the copy of this 1 byte information, and I'm transferring the data to the 4 byte container. Okay, I'm transferring the data to the 4 byte container. You can assume like we have two buckets of 1 liter and 4 liter. There is water in 1 liter bucket, and what I am doing, I'm taking the water out and filling that water in the 4-liter bucket. Can you guys write in the chat, is there any loss of water? Is there any loss of water or data? Please write in the chat. Okay. When I'm doing such kind of stunt, when I'm transferring the water from a smaller container to a larger container, will there be any loss of water or any loss of data? Correct. There will be no loss of data. When there is no loss of data, no information will be lost, right? No information will be lost. So when there is no information lost, there will be no garbage value. Okay, you will not get any garbage value in this scenario. Okay, no. So basically, you have a data character type, and that data character type is getting converted to the integer format, that is 97. This kind of conversion is called implicit kind of conversion. Okay, implicit kind of conversion, implicit conversion here. Okay, so what I have learned till now, I have learned about implicit kind of conversion. And when implicit kind of conversion happens, okay, when I am trying to transfer data, okay, when I'm trying to transfer data from a smaller data type container, okay, from a smaller data type container to a larger data type container, okay, larger data type container, then what will happen? Implicit typecasting will happen. Okay, implicit conversion will happen, implicit typecasting will happen, and there will be no loss of data, right? There will be no loss of data, and what you will get? You will get the correct output on the output screen, right? Everyone is clear with the implicit kind of conversion? Please write in the chat, yes or no. Everyone is clear with the implicit kind of conversion? Please write in the chat. Okay, great. So this is the first scenario. Now here, let's take this scenario, right? In this scenario, this one, right? Uh, this one, this scenario, right? So here, what we are doing, we are having a container, okay? We are having a container of 4 byte, and there will be some information, there will be some data here, right? Like this, and that data can be of 1 byte, that data can be of 2 byte, that data can be of 3 byte or 4 byte, right? Because we have the total capacity of 4 byte, right? And we have one more container of 1 byte, right? 1 byte. Let's assume in 4 byte container, the name of this container is num and the name of this container is ch, right? Let's assume here we have 3 byte of information, 3 byte of information, right? And what we are doing, we are trying to transfer this information to this container, that is 1 byte container. Here guys, you can see, since the capacity of the container is 1 byte, and what we are trying to do, we are trying to transfer 3 byte of information. So what will happen, 1 byte of information will be there, okay everyone, 1 byte of information will be there, but the remaining 2 byte will be overflowed, okay? 2 byte will be overflowed, remaining 2 byte will be overflowed here, right? So there is a loss of data, and when there is a loss of data, you will get some incorrect output on the output screen, right? Incorrect output on the output screen. And here, this kind of conversion, here we have to explicitly do this kind of conversion, and this kind of conversion is called explicit type casting, right? Data from larger data type container, okay, larger data type container to a smaller data type container, right? To a smaller data type container. When I am performing this kind of stunt, there will be loss of data and you will get some incorrect output on the output screen, right? So basically what we have to do, we have to do explicit typecasting. And how I can do explicit typecasting, let's understand that point also. Okay, what I will do here, I will okay, when I'm transferring the data here at line number 6, what I will do, I will write a double round bracket. Okay, I will write a open and close round bracket. Inside that I will write the name of the data type that I want to convert, right? Here I want to convert the integer data to a character data. That's why here I am writing char, right everyone? Yes or no? Please write in the chat. Here you can see, right? I am writing what? Char. Let's save the code and let's see what output I will get now, right? This one dot slash a. Again I'm getting the same garbage value, right? So here you can see, right, this point, this one. So here what I have done, I have done explicit typecasting, okay, explicit typecasting, but again I'm getting the same output. So here we will get the, like, if there is a loss of data, we will get that information, we will get the garbage value, okay? Just here we are getting the information key, yes, we are doing some explicit type conversion, so there is a chance of loss of data, okay, chance of loss of data, right? Everyone is getting that point? Yes or no? Please write in the chat. Everyone is clear what is this explicit typecasting and what is this implicit typecasting? Okay, anyone has any doubt? Yeah, so basically implicit typecasting means when you are transferring the data from a smaller data type container to a larger data type container, then implicit typecasting will happen. Implicit typecasting means there will be no loss of information. When there is no loss of information, you will get the correct output. But when you are doing the opposite, that is when you are transferring the data from a larger container to a smaller container, there will be a probability of loss of data. When there is a probability of loss of data, you will get some random value, right everyone? You will get some garbage value. So what you have to do, you have to explicitly typecast, right? Here you can see that part. What you have to do, you have to explicitly typecast. And here you will observe one more thing, that is you are not getting any change in the output, you are again getting the same garbage value. So what is the use of doing explicit typecasting? So that here, if someone else, some other programmer who are doing the coding with you, he will know ki yes, you have done some explicit typecasting, okay, you have done some explicit typecasting, so there is a loss of data. So that programmer, that person will be very careful while using the ch data. Okay everyone? Yes or no? बेसिकली मैं बोल रहा हूं यहाँ पर कि गाइस here is me, right? I have performed a stunt that is explicit typecasting. Okay, I know there will be a loss of data, probability of loss of data. So guys, there is one more person who is working with you, right? And he, let's assume you have performed that stunt on a variable ch. Okay, on a variable ch, you have performed that stunt. That is this one, char num, right? So this one, char ch, right? Like this. Okay, so here is one more person, that is let's assume here is Sachin here, and when Sachin will see my code, Sachin will immediately came to know कि yes, he is using explicit typecasting. So I should be very careful while using the data ch, because it can generate a random value. It can generate a garbage value. Okay. Yes or no, guys? Everyone is clear? Please write in the chat. Anyone has any doubts? Okay. So guys, this is all for today's session. Today, what we have discussed about integer, we have discussed about character, okay, we have discussed about implicit versus explicit typecasting, okay, and in the next session, we will discuss about the float, double, and our dedicated session, that is the tomorrow session, will be on the pointer, okay. I will give you the brief understanding of what is this pointer and what happened behind the scene for the pointer, right? This will be the agenda of day 3. For day 4, you will have the control statement, right? Day 4, you will have the control statement, and for day 5, you will have the project part. And if we have some time left, we will explore the function topic, the array topic. Okay, if we have time left, guys. Yeah, but first we will do the justification. Like first we will give the proper time to the control statement, this project part, and the proper time to this pointer concept, because for the beginner, pointer is like a very difficult concept to understand. Okay, yeah. And if you want to include anything else, I like please suggest in the comment. I will try to make changes according to that, right? Yeah. Everyone is clear? Anyone has any doubt? Please write in the chat. Till that time, here you can see like if you want to mark the attendance, now is the doubt session. If you have any doubt, you can stay, and if you have no doubt, you can leave now, right? So here till that time, if you have to mark the attendance, here you can see in the description attendance button, right? So here you can go to the attendance link, and from the attendance link you have to refresh the page, and you have to log in first, and after logging in you have to go here, right? Here you will see the mark attendance button, and here you will see the rating. If you are liking the session, if you are understanding something new, if your concept is getting cleared, you can give the rating. If you have any suggestions, anything to improve in this essential, in this bootcamp, or in my teaching style, you can write in the comment. According to that, we will be taking the feedback and we will be working on that part, right? Apart from that, we are having 6 month Let's Upgrade full stack program, and the link for the program you will get here, right? Here, this one. So open this link, and after that what you have to do, and about the assignment, you will get the assignment from day 3. Okay, you will get the assignment from day 3. And if you are like interested in this full stack web development program, so this will be 6 month program here. Okay, this will be the USP of the program. You can see that is our session will be 100% live. You will get the recording of the session also. We are creating 15 industry standard coding project, okay, using the front end and back end technical stack. In the front end, we are going to learn about the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, after making our base clear, we are moving to the React.js JavaScript library. With the help of that React.js library, we are creating that front end website. Okay, that is the UI part. And in the backend, we are going to learn about the Node.js to write the APIs and to get the data from the database, okay, and the database here we are using is a MongoDB. So you will get the information about what technical stack we are going to learn in this 6 month Let's Upgrade program from here, right? Here you can see that is you have 1 month proper training on the DSA, that is the detailed DSA part. You will be learning about the advanced concept also of the DSA. You will be learning about how to build the problem solving skills, okay. And after that, you will be having the HTML CSS JavaScript classes, Bootstrap, okay. And when your basics is clear, you will be going to learn about the React and this Node.js, okay, and this Express.js framework, right? So for the backend part, MongoDB in the database part, and you are going to learn about Git and GitHub to share the code on the Git repository, right? And how to work in a team. You will get the proper understanding. You will get the proper exposure, like how the that is Amazon website clone, you have Instagram clone, Netflix clone, and after that there will be a lot of more project also, right? And you will get the clear understanding of the syllabus from here. You can download the syllabus and you can see who all are trainer who are taking this Let's Upgrade full stack program, okay, that are having more than 5 year of experience. And okay, here you can see you are getting the placement also, that is the placement will be 100%. If you are not getting a placement from our side, you will get the refund, okay. So this is a very good opportunity ki, yes, like we have launched a course, and that course is giving you a 100% placement guarantee, okay. And if you're not getting the placement guarantee, then your money is in safe hand, okay. You will get the money back, okay. You will get the refunded money. And after that, you will get the exposure of the mentorship session, where if you have any doubt related to the resume, related to the questions asked in the interview, related to what to choose, what path to go, okay, you will get the proper support from our mentorship teachers, okay, from our mentorship instructor. And after that, still you have any doubt related to the questions, like any external questions or any questions from the this session, okay, that is our live session. You can schedule our one-to-one doubt session class also, right? And after that, here you can see the rating, right? That is 4.5. We are having a 4.6 we are having on this Google, right? So here is our data, this full stack web development program. Similarly, we have the data science program here, right? So you can go to the data science program and it is not working. So let's again click on this part. Okay, it is not working. So, so no issue. Try to again click on the data science link. Okay, let me give you the brief understanding on the data science program. We are going to make face recognition, Spotify recommendations. Okay, like there are a lot of different projects on the data science part. Okay, you will get the clear understanding. Here I am not able to open this part, right? Okay, no issue. So you can explore that part. If you have any doubt, you can mail us on support@letsupgrade.in. Apart from that, if you have any doubt related to the certificates, what you can do, you will get the certificate after 5 days after completing the whole bootcamp, and your attendance should be more than 50%, and you have to submit the assignment on time. Okay. Sir, please speed up the explanation. Then only you cover more topics. Pointer is address variable. Okay. You will not teach function. Okay, so guys, if you are thinking ki I'm going very slow, please write in the chat. According to that, I will try to speed, like try to take the session more faster. Or if you are thinking ki yes, I am going with the same speed. Okay, please write in the chat. It is like why I'm speaking, like why I'm teaching slow, because some are complete beginners, some are like at the intermediate level, right? So if I will go at a very fast pace, most of us will not able to get the thing clearly, right? So that's why. Yeah, so no issue. Yesterday or tomorrow also I will ask the same question, and according to that we will be like covering the whole thing, right? Yeah, so this is all about our session, today's session, okay. And yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you for attending this session. Okay, so have a great night.
If you have liked this Essentials program, which is giving you a confidence that you can become a developer, this is just a starting. You can enjoy this learning for at least next 6 months and also become a full stack web developer or a full stack data science person and crack a job end of the day. If you are interested for that program, just go check out LetsUpgrade's full stack program right now from the website. What are the key features of LetsUpgrade's full stack program? 3 key features of LetsUpgrade full stack program. Number 1, you get to learn everything live by an expert coming in from an industry. So this expert is working as a day job, and sham ke time, evening time, this guy is going to teach you in your classes. This cohort is going to be of only 20 students at the max. So lots of focus is there on you to make you an industry ready developer, and you can get jobs in 150 plus partner companies that we have got, that LetsUpgrade has got, NPCI, Red Cross and various other companies. Now talking about the second feature, you get in plus projects. These 15 projects will help you get the confidence that you can be the top-notch developer at any company. Let it be the FANG companies or the MANG companies, or let it be any tier 2 or a service-based or product-based companies. Third and the last feature, we have an amazing job board where on a day-to-day basis, we get 10 to 20 job descriptions, JDs, job applications being uploaded by companies directly. You can go ahead and check out those all jobs, apply, and we will go and get you prepared for that interview. So this is the 3 things, 3 big USPs of LetsUpgrade's full stack program. Go join right now. You can avail a 20% straight discount. The price of this program is 36,600, but you can get this program for 29,600 right now. Go check it out and let's meet in your batch launch, which is happening this Saturday. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day.